quand tu le sais. You have to reset the state of this after the extrusion. Doesn't work. Wow. Okay. You have to cancel the possibility of extrusion once one extrusion was done. Because you can't have several branches starting the same location. So you have to keep track of that. So you need a second variable. Not sure how to do this. Don't need that first. So this is a complete tree. Extrude means branch. So this is just to follow existing branch. This starting new branch. So this is not okay. I need this to be the direction of the branch. How can I get that? I'm not sure. Whoops. Something like this. Can I do this? Yes. Factor will be 1. Let's see. Let's scale that. Can top. Yes. Okay. So this end. No. This end. that. Whoops. Oh, it's not any. Oh. Yeah, better. Oh. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is a new branch. Then we can capture the direction of the branch. Yeah, but we need to make it a curve first. Whoops. And on that curve. Oh, that's not good. Let's see if it works. Tangent. What should I do here? Project it. What happened if I do that? Nothing. Oh, not nothing, but wow. There is something not evaluated. All right. I don't like that. I mean, this is the vector, to be honest. Okay, so this is good. Yes. Okay, so this is continue branch. Vertice. I think I should have this somewhere. Let's take the direction. This is a vector. Point. Take that. And we need one also for should I do this? I don't think so. So this is no good. Direction is this. Okay, that's a little bit better. Yes, it's working. Yeah, okay, it works. Wow, that was a little bit more difficult than what I expected, but good. So we can't have several branching, which is probably fine. Wow. Okay, let's add a little bit here just to randomize. Oh, it would be a natural result. Yeah, something like that. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so what's useless? This. Okay, so we need to symmetrize all of this. Only the branches, but where should I do this? Let's see, can we filter with something if direction is equal to this, that would be the branch. I don't really like that. The first one really wants to branch. I don't like this. Nope. Not really natural. Should be, so more or less. But that's got a lot of branching, to be honest. Oh, that's not so bad. And I think we can change the angle. Yes, okay. And the length as well. So now, let's see. We should probably okay, let's do this. Delete. Let's use a direction. I don't like that, but just should do it. Maybe. No, I will make another, just a boolean for if it is a branch. That would be boolean yes, and an attribute if it's a branch. You just take it. That will be a not. And it took the middle. Why? I'm not sure. Aha. I don't want to copy the center. That would be stupid. Let's do it anyway. Not like that. Okay, let's do this. Transform direction. Transform géométrie. Ok, merde. Maybe I should do that before. What the f... Jesus. Oh my God. Wow. Where is the tube? Oh, I should do it myself. It's on the side, I think. What? Nope. Curve to mesh. Okay. Ugh. No, not mesh. Circle curve. No, it's 8 would be enough. 20. Okay. I mean, more. Okay. Next. Let's see, line maybe. It's like 10 millimeters, I don't know. No, 15. Other one. Maybe not a curve. It's yeah, curve would be. Curve to mesh. Curve to mesh. This is okay. The scale would be parameter, float curve, like this. Yeah, okay, I need to resample that guy. 10. 16. Wow. Well. 7. No, that's more like -1. And for the length, I said something, I guess, 20. Alright. So now we have to populate this. Where should I do this? Not sure. Probably when it's a curve, because I have curve to point. I have the tangent that will be really helpful. There's something like, I don't know, 50 to start with. Instance on points. Those are the points. Those are the instances. And for the direction, that will be the normal. Oh my god, that's not what I expected. Rotation? Yeah, more like this. Let's see both together. Too big. Wow. How is that even possible? And for the main branches, yeah, more like this. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's working. Now, for the resample, I made count. I should do what would be evaluated. No, length. Let's say 0.1 millimeters, and we need a lot of variation here. All right. So we have to make some rotation here. That's a randomize. So seed would be the index. And we have to rotate this rotation. Rotation, I think. Let's see. Yeah, that's exactly what we need, or maybe no. Yeah, I'm not sure. Local? Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, so this will be the vector. That will be a combine. Z. Let's see. Okay, we have the branches, and also maybe a little bit like not this, but like yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So same for here. We want some randomization. Ooh, maybe not together. Yeah. That may be a two-step rotation, probably. Let's see. Instance on point. Let's do another one. I don't know if that would work. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, it's working. So this is what I want to randomize this time. Easy enough. What? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's it. All right. Yeah. Okay, so maybe too many. Oh, what? No. Still 1 millimeter. Let's try 0.7. Yeah. Okay, so so maybe I can try to change the thickness of the branches. Can I use a branch thing? Not sure. Maybe I should go with the Z. Not Z, but XY. Let's do this. So the scale would be dependent on no, let's do position. That would be distance. First we have to multiply this guy by 0 on Z and compare that to this. Let's see. Okay, that's working. Working. And I don't really want to normalize this. No, I think I have a better idea. So we can keep that for the maximum thickness. So that would be when it's yeah, that should work. Yeah. When it's less than a really small number. So now we have only the center branch, and maybe we can blur this 1 or 2 times. Wow. What? Wow. There's a problem with the branches, obviously. This shouldn't happen. What if you connected here? Wow. Okay, let's try that multiply and scale. Yeah, okay, obviously that's the opposite. First I should range that. Invert it. Ooh, maybe not 0. 0.1. It doesn't really work. I think there's a problem with the branching that's obvious, but I don't know. Okay, but just let's keep it that way. I don't like that, but okay. Fine. All right. Oh my god, what? spelling. Why did I change now? Yeah, obviously there's too much branch, just we can't see them. Yeah. There's a problem here. Still working, but not really clean. Okay, so now let's do the tree. So that should be relatively straightforward. We need a line. Let's do a mesh. Count. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Every 10 centimeters. Let's do it. Let's do 2 meters to 200, yeah, 20. 3 and instance on points. So those are the points. Those are the instances. Then, alright. So for the rotation, let's first put them on the side. Yeah, okay, that's it. Maybe a little bit like that. Then randomize, maybe I can recycle this. Let's see. Rotation. What happens if I do this? Alright. Let's do a rotate instance. In local space. Z that repeat Y. Okay, Z working. So next, the scales. I should do a curve here. Or I can do with the index probably. What would happen here? Yeah, okay, that's working. So we need to not remap but map range. Map range from 0 to this. Let's do an integer would be the maximum. Alright. And here we need a float curve to modulate this. It's kind of a maximum thingy, something like that. Yeah. All right. Maybe not 0. So, not enough branches, not sure. Meaning, let's do something like 25 this four times. Oh, it starts to be really slow. That's more or less what I need. What happens if I realize not here? Maybe let's try that. Yeah, no, it's working. Interesting. I don't know why, but sometimes when you realize instances, it makes things really fast, and I don't really understand why. Okay, so wonderful. Here there is 3000. Yeah, okay, that's yes, okay. I mean, the needles are very detailed. I don't like that. Can do better here. Probably this for 8. Yeah. 6. Enough. I don't know. Yeah, let's keep it at 8. That should be really fast. Okay, so let's see. Now we have that. Maybe I can bend the branch before instancing. Yeah, let's do it here. So easy enough, that would be a set position here. Generated coordinate. So depending on Z, we want to rotate the vector of the position. Yeah, depending on Z. Wow. Yeah, not offset, but position. Yeah, that's basically what we want to do. But we need to modulate that with Z. And I think a float curve should be good. So float, let's see, you have to combine Z here, like this. Oh, it's not Z, it's yeah, obviously it's X. Alright, so here, okay, so basically you just need to draw some kind of nice curve. I'm not totally sure what it should be. Let's do some room here. So yeah, I just arrange that from minus 0.2, maybe a little less than that. Let's see here. 2, not so much. Wow. Yeah, okay. Let's see the result. Wow. It's not really what I expected, but okay. The branches are too long, that's for sure. Okay, yeah, that's way better. Can I have something green, maybe? All right. So now maybe we need some kind of trunk as well. Easy enough. We have it. Here I think. No. So no, that's not it. I should name stuff. Oh my god. Set position. Yeah, because this is the trunk. Trunk line. Okay. So same thing here, just have to convert that to a mesh. Let's still a circle somewhere. Maybe for very thick. Let's go 20. Yeah, okay, it's a mesh to curve to curve first. Also, maybe we can move that guy around just a little bit for more variation. That would be a noise texture with a set position. Here. Just a little bit of offset, not too much. Scale that down. No normalize. Yeah, I can't do that anymore because I need to be in local space. Meaning that this won't work. Yeah, this works, but it's a little bit weird. Maybe I should change the type of rotation I do. Ow. Woo. Or maybe I can realize everything and then add the randomness after. That would work, but we will lose the instancing logic. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it works. Let's try that. Okay, so that will be Z. All right. The trunk is really thick. Let's do 10. All right. And also, let's do factor here. Let's invert that from 1 to 0.5. 0.3. Yeah, okay. Nah, a little bit too thick, maybe 7 millimeters. That's 1.4 centimeters. Yeah, okay. Hmm. So let's try that. So now what do we have here? We have few instances and a mesh, but it should react in the same way if we set the position, or maybe not. Oh my god, what the heck is that? Offset? Yeah, okay. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, well, okay, yeah, it works. Yeah, fine. The tip is a little bit weird, it's not like that. Huh? Maybe we need a little bit more branches. That would be here. Let's do 100. And here 20. Alright. And then let's see. Here we can modulate that a little bit better maybe. Not too much bending. Well. Okay, so maybe let's try to increase the probability of branching. I'm not sure, but let's add just a little bit. To what? Ooh. Oh my god. Performance-wise, it's pretty good. Huh? I'm kind of surprised. So we don't have that much vertice, so good, I guess. I mean, okay. Basically, we have only one branch. Just instanced. Several times. And for the size of the branch, I think this is the location. Smaller branches on the top. Yes, okay, yeah, good. Fine. All right. So let's put some decoration into this. Okay, so what can we do to do that. If possible, I would like to aim for the tip, around the tip of the branches, to add some balls. Let's give it some balls. Not in a weird way. Let's do this. So I have an idea. I don't know if it will work. So first let's do with a convex hull around that. Yeah, obviously realize instance. Woo, that takes a long time. 33 minutes. Oh my god, this is a convex hull takes a long time. I'm not sure why, but okay. Realize instance is really long. I don't like that. Maybe I can try to grid something, fill to grid match to SDF grid. No, not remesh. How can we do this? Can I use a proxy? What do we have here? We have a lot of instances. No, this is not good. So, okay, so those are instances. Let's try to realize that. Maybe I should destroy all the, just keep the branch and destroy the needles. Yeah, let's try to do that. For this we would need some kind of filter. That would be an attribute. I have to put it probably here. This is a boolean. Let's call it Harry point. Okay, so let's destroy everything that has this attribute. But first we need to realize. Should I realize? I'm not sure. Let's try without. So here, delete the geometry. Name attribute. Boolean. It works. That's good. That's really good. So realize that. Let's see the. Oh my god, it's really fast. 36 milliseconds is still kind of long. I don't know if I like that. It's not real time, no, that's for sure. But we can bake the convex hull. We can do this. I don't know. Yeah. Convex hull takes a long time. A long time. Okay, fine. Distribute point in grid, but first I have to grid that guy. Mesh, whoops, mesh to SDF grid. Point in grid. What do we have? Woo. I need a little bit more, please. Oh, not too much. Okay. Oh, maybe. Yeah, I want the balls to be close to the tips of the branches. So I should distribute point. Distribute point on surface, on face. Distribute point on face, yeah. So this is a mesh. Okay, yeah. So this is pretty good. So now just be a little bit closer to this, whatever this will be. So you go proximity is this. So now we have a position to go to. Good. Set position of those points. Where? Here. Okay, so instance are ignored, so we have to realize this guy as well. Not a problem, especially because we have it here. Let's do this. Okay, working. That's good. So first, let's try to do a sphere. UV sphere would be nice. That would be an instance on points. So those are the points, those are the instance, very big. Let's do, I don't know, 30. That's nice. Let's see everything at once. Okay, so the scale would be obviously randomized from, I don't know, 0.5 to 1.2. The seed is the index. That's alright. That's better. 0.5 to 0.3. So let's make those a little bit nicer. Okay. So we need to bring them down just a little bit. Yeah, like that. It's not. The scale won't be a problem apparently, which is good. So now we need to add some kind of. Ooh, those are really close. I don't like that. We should merge by distance the points that are too close. Let's do something like, I don't know, 30? I am killing a lot of points. 60. Oh, not that much. 20? No. 30. Yeah. Good. It's exposed. So fine. Alright. Yeah, we can have a little bit more of those. Okay, that's more like it. I think the truck is a little bit too tall. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Nice. But the curve of the thickness, where is that guy? Here. Okay, so I don't like that, to be honest. Wow, I'm not sure. To be thicker on the bottom. No. Wow. Yeah, okay, yeah. That's very Christmas tree-ish. I mean, okay. Yeah, problem is the angle shouldn't be the same on the top and on the bottom. Yeah, problem is the angle. Let's try to change that. I think this is the problem. No, it's not. Here. Yes, that's the one. So we should use that. Maybe we can do it with the index of this guy. Doing the same as here. In any case, we have to combine a new angle. From 0 to 1, okay, that's convenient. We have to map range it. Should I map range or... yeah, let's map range it one more time. So we said it's the X rotation. And we should have something that goes up. 0 would be completely closed. Alright. So we need a big angle at the base and more smaller number at the top. The number would be something around 50 to, let's go 100. Maybe the other way around, I don't know. Let's try that. Oh my fucking... Oh yeah, obviously it's not degree, it's radian. And this is opposite. I am lucky. Nice. And this is opposite. I am lucky. Yeah. Nice. Because the branches on the bottom are a little bit quite bigger, so they droop more. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so I don't want the balls too close to the ground. Several ways to correct that. I think we can delete, oops, not merge by distance, but delete the geometry based on the position. Let's take the separate and we compare that to less than something. Something like that. That would do it. Delete lower bolts. All right. Okay. Okay, so for the balls, I need some kind of hook that would go around the branch. Yeah, just a little bit of procedural modeling shouldn't be a problem. Let's do a circle. Let's make, I don't know, circle curve because I can do curve to mesh. I need 2 of those. 1 meter is a little bit bigger. Let's do 25, and for this one, let's do, I don't know, 2 millimeters. This one 4 will be, let's do 5. This one 12. Let's see. So yeah, obviously I need to take those 2 guys together. Point. Distances. Let's see what we have here. Okay, the plate is in the way. Let's not show it. All right. We have to transform it as well. 0 rotation X 90 degrees. This is a big, way too big. 10. Yeah, that's better. Let's curve to mesh that bad boy. Curve to mesh. Okay, so now look at that. Reconnect. Oh, that's cute. 16. Oh yeah. Fine. Let's see. Is it working as expected? Yeah. It's a little bit artificial, but ooh, I don't like the rotation. Can I correct it? I'm not sure. I have to sample the closest curve to pick the tangent. Oh, that won't be easy. Let's call it a day, shall we? This one, oh, it has one, but it's completely messed up. Yeah, that's not horrible. Yeah, okay, all right. Yeah, that's not horrible. Okay, let's continue with the, I don't know how to say that, in French it's a guirlande. Guirlande. let's go with that. So let's keep the convex hull. Let's start from here one more time. Let's distribute point on face one more time here. Change the seed. Maybe a little bit less. Let's see what do we have. Oh my god, too much. One. All right. Now point to curve. Ooh, all right. Spline type, set spline type. It's not a poly, it's a Bezier. Now we have to change the handle type to auto will do align. No. Auto. Yeah. That's probably fine, So, all right. Let's add it to the mixer, and we can see it. See, yeah, we can. Okay, so yeah, for the points, we want that just a little bit more inside the tree. Easy enough. We just need to set position. Just need to scale it down a little bit. Oh yeah, or you can also transform geometry, I suppose. Let's do it at the point level. Let's do something like 0.7. Yeah, it's working. It is working. So now, what we can try to do is to have some kind of hanging in the branch first, then set up some kind of drooping logic. So first or maybe we don't need the drooping logic after all. Let's try to find the closest geometry that is right on top of this curve and then hang it to it. Let's try that. Okay, so that would be Odia. Let's do I think I will convert this curve to mesh first. Then obviously we need a set position here. I don't really like the beginning. Yeah, okay, no, it will work. So my idea here is I'm not sure. What would be the best way to do this? I think I will try with a raycast. Like 300 millimeters on the Z positive direction, and the geometry we want to intersect would be This is exactly what we need. Let's call this only branches, no alley. So change the order just a little bit for clarity. Alright. So this will be what we need to target. The position would be the position of those guys. Oh, I don't think I will hit that much. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. I don't like that. Maybe I should do proximity instead. So that would be the geometry to test, and if the distance is really close, let's go to it. Or I can also make a simulation zone to make the line fall down, and when it hits a branch it just stops. I don't like that. Let's do it the easy way. Range. So we have to set the position. So obviously that would be horrible. Let's do it anyway. That's what we have, obviously. But we don't want to disturb the position of the things that are too far. So in that case we just need to mix this vector with the original position, and the factor will be dependent on the distance. So easy enough. If we don't connect it, so you can see it's moving. I don't know if you can see it, but it's moving. Curve to mesh. Yeah, just add some visualization here. I just need a grid for this. Let's see, what should I? Primitive grid. 1 millimeter for, I don't know, 5 centimeters. 2 and 2. Curve 2 points. It's not a curve. Let's make it a curve. Mesh to curve. Alright, you need a lot of points. Maybe we should need to blur the position a little bit. That should be good for now. Now, let's see instance on points. Those are the points, those are the instance. And the rotation has to be fully random. This is the vector. Tau. Now we can see it. All right. I mean, okay. So yeah, so this is the original position, and this is when we stick it to the. Yeah, I mean it's not that bad. We just need to resample the curve after the set position. Yeah, here, because there is no point between. No, that's too difficult. Let's just use this distance guy. So 0 means stick to it, which is exactly what we need. So this is evaluated on 1 meter. This is too much. 0.3. So after 0.3 we'll do nothing. I mean, this is working pretty well. Pretty well. Yeah, okay. Maybe we can go negative. I mean, the drooping kind of works naturally with this method. And maybe what we can do is, if the distance from this guy is very big, first we will make it droop just a little bit. That will be some kind of two-step modification. Let's do it one more time. This time just need some offset. Combine XYZ. So same here, we need to mix with the position. This new vector minus, I don't know, 0.5, that's a lot, but okay. That's a lot. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I would use the same map range. Wow. Yeah, I don't think let's do from 0. Wow. Yeah, 0.5 is probably too much. Is it working? Wow, okay, yeah, it's 0 because it's offset. That should be enough. Let's do it. Okay, so 0 distance should be okay. That's the opposite on this guy. All right, 35. Wow. Maximum would be 1. Yeah, it's working. It is absolutely working. maybe a little bit more distance. And for the 0, maybe a linear should be better here. I don't think so. What the heck is it? Okay, alright. Wow. Okay, so I think that would be easier with a float curve because I don't want the 0 guys to move too much. The distance 0 should stay on the branch. So now that should be fine. Look at this. It's floating in the air, so it shouldn't be the case. Yeah, obviously we will have this kind of thing from time to time. Don't like that. Transform the geometry. Maybe make it closer to the trunk. Yeah, so this is working a little bit better. Yeah, I would say okay to that. And this is a mess. No recast. Okay, so wow. Okay, so this is not doing anything. Why? Wow. No. Okay, curve to mesh, mesh to curve. Maybe I should. Why? That's not that bad. Not that bad. Not that bad. We need more points. More. That's more like it. Woo! $3,000. Yay! All right. So we need several of those. Can we add that to the logic here? I don't know. Distribute point on face. Okay, okay. Point to curve. So I need several sets. Set plane type. Let's see. What would be the best way to do this? Yeah, probably make it a group and duplicate this group. It's not very pro, but okay, I would say. This apparently is doing nothing. I don't like that. Yeah, you know what? Let's just nah, let's keep it. I don't know why it's doing nothing. This is weird. Distance. Oh no, I don't know why. This is weird. What? No. Huh. Huh. Zero is doing nothing and 25. That's weird. Okay, let's just cut it. Then let's make this a group. Oh, maybe I can. What? Let's do this. Should I distribute point on face? Yes, absolutely. I need that. Let's group that. Call it Girland. Okay. So what we need in this group for randomization would be this. Let's take it, and yeah, what we can do here is, yeah, okay, see that? This is what I want. Nice. So maybe we can do a for each, not for each, not for repeat. So maybe we can do and in this repeat zone, we just need here we need to join geometry. This would be here. Obviously it doesn't like it, so that would be the convex hull, and those are the branches. I should have named those. This way to face on what is called mesh is the convex hull, and these are the branches. Alright, so geometry here is the convex hull, the branches, don't do that for now. This is what we need. Then, what the heck is that? I don't think we should do this. No. We don't need to do that. We absolutely don't need to do that. So this is the result. This is the join. And now we have it. Should have it. Like that. Alright. this is very in the center of the tree. I don't know if I like that. I know the problem. This is the scale of the points. It is here. Alright. Don't need to change this, not that much. Oh, this is more like it. Yep, that's fine. So now we need random value to change the color of those guys. Store name attribute. Let's say Geekol. No majuscule here. Alright. So we just need different number and we will figure out the result with the material. So this is the seed and we just need different values for each of those here. All right. Fine. Perfect. So this is good. Now we need several materials. Okay, so this is the trunk. Those are the branches. This is one branch. Okay, so those are the branches, and those are only the needles. Fine. So what we can do now is to create a few materials. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say bark. Hurry. Balls. We need also the ring of the balls, but and girland. Okay, fine. So let's just set the materials where they are needed. Here. So those are the branches are here. Curve to mesh. This is the location. Set material. This will be bark. Let's go. So yeah, for the UV, I'm not sure. That will be a mess. Probably. This is a trunk. This also is a bark. I think. Or is it? Yes, it is. It absolutely is. Alright. Then we need one more for where are the balls? The balls are here. good. Balls, alright. Then last, the guirlande here. Okay, so let's set up some materials quick. Save that shading. Okay, so what do we have here? Ooh. Performance-wise, it's not crazy. I don't know why, but whatever. Let's go. Attribute. Is Geekle or Girlcall? I don't remember. So, just to have the opportunity to change the color. We need a white noise texture here. Let's do one dimensional. Okay, so apparently that's not how I wrote it. Let's see. Yes, it is. Float point. Instance? Yeah, I don't think so. Shit. Should I realize? I don't think so, but let's see. I don't like this. Geometry. Yeah, I don't think it works. Okay, let's put Rally should be green. Oh my god. So I have the picture here, so let's just steal that. Whoops. Really? And for the other one, do we have? Yes, we have. Yeah, okay, alright, alright. Yeah, for now that will work. Now the balls quickly. What is the... Oh, I don't think I have one. Let's see. Okay, so can I change depending on the instance? Is that possible? Attribute, or I should try this randomize per object. Can I get that? Yes, I can, I totally can. Should do that. So same, let's go with the white noise texture here. Let's do one dimensional like this. So now we have crazy colors. Let's keep it that way for now. Let's go metallic. roughness. What we can do here is also a different white noise, add a little bit to add some randomness, and then we can play with the roughness to have rough and shiny balls. Okay, so maybe a little bit of tweaking here. 5, maybe 0.7. Ah, 0.5. Fine. Alright. So the girlands are very weird because I can't change the color. Let's try to do it the old-fashioned way. Nah, it's not working here. It's considered as a single one object. How can I change that? Oh yeah, because I joined the geometry. That's probably the problem. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so those are not instances. Maybe I should split to instance. That may be a little bit better. I think it works now. Split to instances at points, but here we have, for instance, yeah, that's what we want, I think. Maybe you should put this guy outside. I'm not sure. But anyway, it works, so good enough for me. So here, just randomize that. Yeah, it works now. Cool. So same here, we want something metallic. That would be better. I think golden, I feel like gold and red may be good. So ramp. Let's do constant. Red and gold. Let's do saturation max, value max. Something like that. Maybe. Ooh. Ooh. I'm not sure. Okay. Not enough. Not enough of those. That seems really cheap. So also I need to smooth the balls. Always smooth the balls. They are set smooth here. Alright, that's better. Yeah, okay, so for the rings, maybe we could have another material. Let's call it wings. What can we do here? I think just a metallic gray should work. Me roughness. Wings. But I can't set the material here for the balls. I need to put it here and the rings here. All right. In general, they are plastic, like transparent. They're very thick. I don't like that. 10. Let's do 8 here. And 2 is too much. 1. I mean, I don't want something super visible. I'm not selling rings right now, so yeah, that's more like it. Oh, there's another thing. There's some kind of, I don't know, cylinder here. And this guy, I'm pretty sure, should be transparent. Meaning we need a new material. Let's call it transp cylinder, I don't know, whatever. Copy that, and we need to make a cylinder. Vertex, let's do 16. 1 is fine. Radius, let's do 4. Depth would be 5 millimeters. We need a transform geometry. I guess on Z. Yeah, or maybe not. We will see. Cylinders. Let's add it to the mix. Okay, so that's not the right location. Fine. Wow. Okay, so this is very fast. That's -10. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah. 16. Okay, so this. Maybe I should set the smoothness by angle. Set smoothness by angle, smooth by angle. Let's do something like 6. Wow. What? Ignore sharpness. Yeah, that's the trick. Wow, the ring is very rough. Let's do 80. Yeah, okay. That's more like it. So now we need a material. That's transp-sil. This will be white. No subsurface, but transmission to the max. Max, maybe not. Maybe not. You drop the alpha a little bit. No. White. Blah. Yeah, that should do it. Too small. Still too small. Yeah, that's more like it. Too big? Let's drop the ball just a little bit. Where are the balls? Here. -45. Ooh, that's a lot. -42. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good balls. Very good balls. Oh, this is no good. Let's be a little bit more restrictive on the delete. 30, let's go 33, no, 35, no, 40, oh, 50, okay. So this one is flying. shouldn't be the case. Maybe I can, oh yeah, because it merges at the, in the middle of those. Oh, that's not good. So I should, one more time, I should do this, or even better, I can merge by distance before. That should be probably a better idea. Let's do this. Yeah, it works. Okay. That was the good thing to do. All right. So for the garland, let's populate those guys just a little bit more. Those are grids, so only 4 points, so that shouldn't be too complicated to compute. Let's take it out of the group. 3000. Let's double it. Oh yeah. That's pretty good. Let's also change the length of those guys. Where are those? It is the grid. Here. I did 50, should do maybe 70, yeah, 75. Oh yeah. I did 50, that's nice. Good. I like it, I like it. So I don't know how it will work, but we can try to put some snow on it, maybe? So first the balls, I don't like the colors, too many colors. I don't like that. Let's keep it gold, I guess. What should we do? Gold, blue. Yeah, like several gold should be nice. Let's do a ramp here. Yeah, you know what? Let's keep it linear. So yeah, obviously no black balls, never see that. It can be cool though. So yeah, obviously red. That's a no-brainer. Blue, I am not sure. Let's see. Nah. Blue should work. We need to eat that. Let's do one more. So, yeah, something like that. Oh yeah, we have this kind of a champagne color thingy. Orange, I'm not sure. Yeah, this, I kind of like that. The saturation is dropping, that's pretty good to me. Can we step that guy? No. Alright. I think there's too much color. I can step this. Let's do this. Wow. I think it's a math thing. Map range steps. This is the value. Step 4. Yeah, so we should have 4 different balls. Also, this is a problem. Still not restrictive enough, apparently. 75. Oh my lord. 100. My god, this is hard to... Ooh. So let's change the seed. The small balls are too small. Okay, yeah, this is probably fine. 20. Let's be more restrictive here. Still, we have problems. Probably the 2 points are coming from very different locations. So the system doesn't understand that we have that. Yeah, let's do a second one. I don't like that, but okay. Something like, I don't know, 50. Yeah, that should work. 50 is like 5 centimeters. 25? Yeah, 25. Yeah, that's not really nice, but that should work. Okay, so the blue balls are a little bit weird. And here, let's 0.3 to, yeah, let's go down to 0. Okay. Maybe too much. Yeah, you know what? Let's do this. Yeah, alright. Yeah, for the saturation, same. I'm not sure. Why do we have so many like purple? Oh yeah, that's because of the step. It's just on that location for, yes, that was a problem. Let's do 5 different colors. Yeah, we have one kind of purple color thing. Yeah, okay, alright. Fine. So yeah, before the snow, maybe we want some light inside, I don't know. Okay, let's do this. We will need, for the material of the wire, I will keep the ring material. Just add the LEDs. So this will be an emissive guy. Attribute, let's call it LED. Right now, color it. Yeah, I don't think we need to color the base color, but whatever. So maybe we can reuse the logic of this guy. But I think, what should we do here? Let's see. I think I will just copy that. Then copy this and call it gear LEDs. Several things need to change inside of it. So set material. Oh yeah, not here. Copy that. So here we will need to change several stuff. So first, this is good, fine. This is not working, but okay. Mesh to curve to point. Okay, so this is fine. This is not fine. Instance hot point. Yeah, so this is a count. The count obviously should be something like, I don't know, 15. Okay, so this is not garland. We need two here, rings and LEDs. Okay, so I don't think I will go with a grid. Set the material anyway. Curve to point is fine, but we need to transform the curve to mesh. Yeah, we should probably do the spline type thingy. Set spline type here. I don't think we can get away with straight line like the garlands. That won't be that will be very obvious. This will be handle, whoops, handle, set handle types. So what do we have here? Let's see. Oh, we can't see anything. All right, curve to mesh. Here, this is the ring material. Circle curve. This will be a 1mm wire. Something like this. Oh, yeah, that should work, probably. I don't know. If I don't do this, yeah, that's not really nice. Let's not do this. Garland color, don't need that anymore. But I need here LED. What was LED? Just LED. The color of the LED, it's not a color, it's a factor, but whatever. So here we have the wire. Then this wire should be converted to points, and then we have nothing. What the heck? For instance, curve to points. Okay, so that's the problem. What? No. We have to join this with that output, and this guy should be curve to mesh. Don't need that anymore. What? Oh yeah. I know. This is what we need. Alright. So now we have the LEDs that are not the LEDs, but just wait. Okay, so add this to the mix. Let's do one more. For the color, what should we do? Full random? Let's try for full random, it's more difficult. White noise. And this factor here, no need to do. Yeah, factor. Yeah, okay, so same thing here. Maybe we can get away with the random. random per object. Let's see. Ramp. Let's do it only 2 colors for now, just to check. Oops. Super bright. Maybe not too much. Can't see the color. Per object. Yeah, it works. It works. So this, what should we do? That should be a constant, I think. So blue, no. Let's do, I don't know, white. Yeah, maybe. One more. Yeah, let's do blue. Blue. One. Oh my god, the wire is huge. So let's change the seed just a touch because it's the same as the first garland. So let's do this. Add some random stuff here that would change completely. Okay. Ooh, some LEDs are very far, some are really close. This is no good. We can change that here. That's a curve to point the problem. We need to resample that guy here. And we can do, instead of curve to point, we can do maybe curve to point. No, not curve to point. Yeah, but evaluated. That probably should work. It didn't work. What? So here it's working, here it's working. What the heck? So this is good. Not enough LEDs anyway. Let's add a little bit more. 10 is not enough. 50. Oops. Okay, so the wow. Oh, I see. This is because I should use the length. Yeah, obviously some curve will be really long. I see. So this, yeah, maybe not that much of a problem. Add some variation, probably good. Let's do length. Yeah, that should work. Let's see now. Yeah, okay, that's working. Every 10 centimeters we have one LED. So this is fine. Now we need to draw proper LEDs. Shouldn't be too difficult. Instead of this grid, we need to do some kind of light bulb. Easy enough. We can go with sphere. Enough. Let's do icosphere instead. Radius, I don't know, 1.5 millimeter. Just next, elongate it, and I will just call it a day. That should do it. Transform the geometry here. Scale on Z just a little bit. So I want to see how it looks like. Okay, so this is small, really small. It's not an icosphere I want, it's a UV sphere, not the same, not the same. Alright, so 1.5. And this is too much detail for my taste. 8, let's say 8 as well. Scale of 2. Let's make it maybe flat. So maybe they are like on a kind of flat. Well, yeah, maybe not. And just a little bit of offset. Oh my god. 2 millimeters. Let's do, I don't know, 5. That's a lot. Yeah, well, 4 millimeters. All right. So this should be a smooth, such a smooth here. All right. Don't need that anymore. Now we have, okay, the wire is a faker with 2C, thick. Where is the wire? Let's see, here, I think, yes. 1 millimeter, that's a 2 millimeters wide wire. Let's say 0.3. This is 32. No. 8. All right. Now we have very cute LEDs. Maybe a little bit closer. 75. More. 50. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. This one is super long. All right. Yeah, I like it. This one is super long. All right. Okay. Nice. All right. So we got, oh my god. Color, no. How about no? Black. What is changing here? I am not sure. Oh, it's yeah, it's curve dependent. Let's try the full random stuff. Full random should be, yeah, completely random. What should we do here? I am not sure. 6 is a lot. Let's do 1.5 maybe. 6 is a lot. All right. So what we can do now is some randomization of the kind of blinking stuff. Easy enough. Add just a little bit of frame. I don't want something too harsh. Divided by let's say 100. What would be the result of this if I play really fast? If I divide it even more, I don't know if it rounding. No, I don't think it will. I have to step it by hand. Yeah. That's what I have to do. So this will be a snap to, yeah, let's say 1. Because this is taking too long. Yeah, now it's working. Okay, so this is full random. Oh my god. Seems to be Girland dependent. I don't know why. This is weird. No, this is Girland dependent, which is fine. Yeah. You just want a blue, a white and a red, which is the case now. That should be fine. So for the value, let's put it here. The color won't change, they will only blink. You have to multiply by the max luminosity, let's say 2, and it doesn't work. Why? Oh, it does work. Yeah, it completely works. Yeah, alright. So this, yeah, black is not good. Gray, like light gray with, oops, not subsurface, transmission of, yeah, let's go to the max. Small roughness. Nah, that should be good enough. All right. So maybe we can have a little bit of material just a little bit better for the rally. Yeah, I'm not sure how this would work. Yeah, we don't have any UVs. No good. Can we use this? I don't think so. Can I take the UVs here? Where are those guys? Here. All right. Yes, we can. We completely can. Easy enough. We have to store name attribute. This will be the rally UV. This is a vector, and yeah, point of face corner, that should be the same. Let's put it here, and we have to do several things. Capture the attribute here and here of the spline parameter factor for both of those. Next we have to combine x and y, which is which, I don't know, I don't care. Now we should copy that. That would be an attribute. Oh my god. Attribute. Here, let's see, what do we have? It is absolutely working. Wonderful. So, what do we do with that? Okay, let's go back to the picture just to see how it works. So we can see we have some kind of gradient. I think it's an isotropy thing. There is a line in the center. Okay, so let's draw this. Easy enough. Let's vector separate those. Let's pick this. Let's say equal. No, so let's say math. Yeah. Compare. Epsilon would be super small. Now we have a line in the center. Let's say greater than. It's not greater than, it's smaller than, but alright. So compare. This is too much. The line is very thin. 35. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. 45. 5. 55. Yeah, okay. Alright, so this is good. We will need to mix. Mix. That would be a multiply. A little bit like that. I don't think I will use a color like this. Probably there will be a gradient somewhere, so let's make it right now. Like this. Let's put 2 of those. Can I do that? No. Alright. So let's just steal the color from here. Good saturation. Let's pick an intermediate. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. Yeah, that's very close, okay. Whatever. And one more. Let's pick a really light location. What are you doing? Alright. So, what should we do now? We have this. And we need to use that with this. Alright. Okay, so let's go ease. Can't go wrong with ease. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Don't need a picture, but we need a color. And then multiply with this. something that looks like it's horrible. Wow, Nanka. The line is kind of crooked. I don't like that. Yeah, this will be fine. Compare. I prefer to have some kind of gradation here. Can we do this? Yeah, we have to do it in 2 times, or no. There is a better way of doing so. Fairly easy. We just need to, add a negative, something like that, then absolute this, yeah, that's it, then we need to squeeze that just a little bit with the multiply. Alright, that's what I want to see. Yeah. Alright. That would be the color. Okay, so this is just horrible. Let's not do this. Oh yeah, I think we need some roughness. And maybe, just maybe, some anisotropy. Not sure though. Okay, so it's doing just nothing. What? Probably don't need that. Let's color it like this. And also let's use that guy for a little bit of bump height. 1 millimeter should do it. Here. Ow. Yeah. Should be fine. That's too light. I mean, I just steal the color, but it doesn't work really well. I don't like that. Wow. More saturation. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, alright. Maybe the border as well should be a little bit darker. Can do that. With this. So basically that would be the opposite of that. Easy enough. This will be a 1 minus. No, a 0. Fuck. That would be the difference. I can do it with a mix. Not the easiest way, but okay. As a color. I need the difference between this and white. What the heck? There. Okay, so let's just not do that. Can I invert? No. Alright. Yeah, okay, that's it. Yeah, probably you can do it with a float. Good. Yeah, okay, that's it. One. Then this also need to be multiplied. Yeah, okay, alright. So probably we need to multiply it beforehand. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want to see. So we have to multiply one more time here. No, that's not what I want. This is what I need, like that. Alright. This is too long. Ooh. Yeah, I need to offset that just a little bit. Oh, that's minus 0.5. I have to keep it in the center. I need to add just a little bit. Yeah, this is the squishing factor of the border. Yeah, alright. That's pretty good. Yeah, okay, alright. So this is fine. Now, I suppose there is some kind of noise as well. Probably, so we can use the vector for this. Look at that. No need that much detail. We can add it to this, so that would be a mix color. Let's do it overlay, like that. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, no, just no. So let's see, darken or multiply maybe. Yeah, that would work. Okay, so this is very gentle. Alright. This is maybe too gentle. Maybe you can use this guy as well. Yeah, okay, alright. Ooh. Okay. So, oh yeah, this sucks. No. Yeah, I mean, okay, all right. He's kind of very shiny, I think. Or maybe with sheen. Yeah, probably something like that. Yeah. Alright. So now, let's do something about the bark. So same here, I think I need to take the attribute somewhere let's output that, and let's steal this. Okay, so where is the bark? Wow, let's go back here. Where can I steal that bad boy? Okay, so mesh to curve here, probably. Curve to point, curve to mesh, yeah. Okay, so capture attribute. Should I capture the attribute? Yeah. I have to put it on the mesh, so. Okay, so I need to do this. Yeah, the point and parameter, spline parameter. Factor. And where we have no, yes. All right, so we have to make an attribute for this. This will be a named attribute. Store it as let's say bark UV. I will just take one dimension because that should be enough. Yeah, let's do it that way. Let's see. Point float, let's do it. Where is the viewer? We should have the result. Oh dear. Nothing. What the heck? Maybe I didn't write it correctly. Right, nothing. That way. Okay, so now we have something pretty good. Pretty good. So, what do we have to do? Yeah, there's not much going on. Alright, so yeah, obviously we will need some noise, but here we can use the position. By default, let's use the object maybe, I don't know, generated. Wow, it's not what I was expecting. Okay, this is more like it. Something like that, a few details, and let's make it just a little bit more contrasty, like this. I want some kind of, I don't know, point, I don't know, I guess. What would do multifractal? No, just no. Ooh. Ah, I see. Yeah, that may work. Nah, let's keep that for now. Yeah, okay, alright. We can do it just a little bit more on the Z side. Okay, yeah. Good. So now we have this. We can use this if needed. I don't know how. first. Yeah, okay, so let's take 2 of those. I need the light color and, oops, the dark color. All right. So maybe just a regular ramp will do. Not like that. Not ramp, but a mix. So that would be the A, that would be the B. Oh, no need to do that. Like this. And this noise should be the factor like that. What do we have here? Ooh. Wow, okay, yeah, okay, alright. Ooh, I don't know if I like this. No, that's not good. Hybrid? Yeah, maybe a little bit better. I don't know. Let's go ease. Maybe this spline. Terrain. Ooh, it's very similar. Interesting. Okay, cool. Maybe we can use this also for a little bit of bump height, something like this. That's a lot of noise. Yeah, okay. Maybe a little bit more. Nah. Yeah, that would do it. That would. Okay, alright. Now, maybe we can try to add just a little bit of snow on this. I don't know. Shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be. Several ways of doing this. We can like make a grid. I don't like that. Yeah, let's do it. Make a grid here. Everyone realized? I know this is an instance. I think I will need to realize several things if I want to recast. Yeah, obviously it's not working anymore. If I realize, not a good idea. Oh, no, let's not do this. Yeah, so maybe it works, I don't know. Let's see, something like 200. That's a lot. Let's start with 100. One by one. Transform geometry. Let's put it above the tree. I should do it with box bound or whatever. That would do it. Okay, so are we good with the size? Not really. Yeah, if it's not perfect, it's okay. So let's recast that bad boy on this. Show it, please. shapes. So let's just set the positions of those here. Oh my Lord and Savior. I think we have to realize those guys. Okay, so this is just horrible. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god, it takes a long time. This means we will need to bake it, which is fine, probably. Woo! Oh yeah. If it fails, it goes to 0. Meaning that we just need to move the guys that have a hit. This is it. Not far enough. Let's do 2 meters. Alright. So now we have some kind of shrink wrap of that. Nice. Is that really what we want though? Let's see. Oh my god, yes, there's a lot of miss. As expected. As expected. Shouldn't do it like that. Nope. But maybe I should, because oh no, this is taking a long time. A very long time. Yeah, okay, I have a better idea. Let's go convex hull on all the branches separately. So let's just disconnect that. This is taking too long. So that's the balls. So no. No, there's a garland. No. I think only branches, no hurry. Yeah, this is what I want. But before realization. Yep. So convex hull before realization. All right, we can use this for the snow. Okay. So what do we do with that? First, we keep only the face that are pointing toward in the up facing. So this is easy enough. Delete geometry. This is a normal comparison dot product with 1. Let's see. Maybe this is the opposite. I can't see. Shit. Fuck. Whoa. Wow. What the heck is that? Wow. Okay, so let's just not do that. This is a little bit weird, but it's fine, it's fine. So now we have 100 instances. Cool. So we need to distribute point in volume. Oh no, let's don't do volume, let's do point on faces. So those are the faces. A little bit more density. Yeah, let's start with that. So now those are the instances not realized, and we have to stick those points on the branches. Easy enough. Set position of those. We proximity. I think we should move those just a little bit on the upper side, like 10. Maybe a little. Nah, that would work. I should do for each loop to proceed every branch one by one. Let's do it the hard way. Geometry proximity and oh yeah, inputting geometry, of course. Realize instances, let's do it. That's a little bit weird. What do we have here? Alright. My god, this is absolutely not working. What? Okay, I think I know. I need a second one. Now that should work. Some points are kind of floating. Shouldn't be happening. Let's try to point to volume like this. Woo! And then volume to mesh. Alors radius is huge. Clearly not enough points. Let's do this. Okay. What the heck is happening here? Let's take it just a little bit down. I can't see shit. Realize convex hull. All right. Why are they floating? No. What? What is the O? No, that's fine. I don't know why they don't stick to the branch. This is weird. Okay, so let's try another idea. So instead of the convex hull, let's take those guys. Will it work? Yeah, they're even less. Obviously, there's less. Okay, so probably, yeah, do we need that? Let's do 5mm. Do we need to realize? Maybe not. So this is snow. Wow. Do we need this? Yeah, we need it. 10 times more. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Threshold. Alright. Adaptivity don't need. Voxel amount. Yeah, okay. Something like that. Maybe a little bit higher. That shouldn't change that much, but yeah, it changed quite a lot. 5.6. Yeah, that's too much point, I think. Let's halve this. Yeah, okay, alright. Yeah, still probably too much snow. Half it one more time. And radius of the point. Ooh, my lord. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Let's do that 5. Ooh, that's very small. 8. Wow. Let's do that 5. Okay. Adaptivity don't need. Threshold. This is surprisingly fast. I mean, it's just instantaneous almost. Yeah, I mean, from the distance, it's the illusion is pretty good, I have to say. Okay, let's do this. So the snow. We need a material. Set material. Bark. One more. Let's set snow. Let's do it quick. I think it should kind of shine a little bit. Let's start with noise, or maybe Voronoi. Let's do this. That would be object. A bit small. Oh, I forgot to put it in the geometry. Snow, alright. Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, probably with some kind of ramp. Bluish and yeah, whitish. First. ramp. Too much. Less saturation. Less value. Right, let's double that. That's weird, it's just weird. Let's bump this guy just a little bit. Wow. Smooth, maybe spline. Yeah, that we do. What the heck? I was insane. Whoa, this is inverted. Maybe not. Right, subsurface maximum. This is white, so one for everyone. 2 millimeters? No, 10 millimeters. No anisotropy, random walk is fine. Transmission, just a little bit maybe. And roughness, same, I think. Correlate it to the bump. Roughness. So the roughness is, oops, this. Obviously not good. Rough is no rough. Yeah, it's rough with sparkling shiny spot. Yeah, exactly like this. That should work. This is just horrible. No. This is what about no? My God. Yeah, the roughness shouldn't be that low. Map range, no, it's not a vector, come on. Yeah, here. 0.1, no, oh my God. IR should be 1.3, it's water. Ew. Metallic, oh yeah. Transmission specular. Ooh, what can we do with that? Nothing. Oh, just got it. Coat. What if I put some coat? This is not good. Wow, doesn't change a thing. Don't like that. Nope, I don't like that. Delete. Nah, probably close enough. Let's try 0 here. Please don't shoot me so dark dots, that's horrible. Just horrible. No. Ugh. Oops. it's not really that high. I had in mind. Yeah, I mean that should work. Not that important. Yeah. Let's add the lights. Let's see. What do we have here? Alright. Render. Let's go into the camera. Yeah, we won't go that close anyway, so I want half in the dark to see the LEDs. That should be cooler. This is too strong. Yeah, more like that. Let's just cut this. This is fine, I guess. Let's see, what do we have here? Alright. The color are changing really, so that's cool. LEDs. Let's make that just a little bit stronger, maybe even more, not too much. 8, 6, 5, 5, 5, if 5, good. I don't know. Camera, maybe we can grab that with just a little bit of glare. Let's see. Can I have it? Alright, so emitter, I have to keep the emission here. Ambient occlusion as well. Let's do this. Yeah, this is not very strong. I should see something here. Let's try full screen. Nope. Oh yeah, we have a little bit of glare here. This is not really strong, as you can see. Let's do 0.5. First glare, let's do 1. Wow. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's take film. Not too much sharpening. Film grain. Anamorphic. Alright. Well, lens dirt, don't need that. And special composition. Let's see, not too much. Alright. Okay. The LED can be a little bit stronger than that. Let's double the strength. Let's see with the composition. Oh yeah, I like it. Ooh, that's pretty good. pretty good. Alright. So let's make a second camera. Yeah, well, let's do this. Wow. Let's see. Cam. Oof, I move it. Should I keyframe it? Let's do it right now. Let's copy it. Alright. This one. Okay, that. Let's see, just whoops, little bit more close-up kind of fashion. Something like that. You can go relatively close. It's not horrible. The snow is horrible, though. Yeah, should do it something like higher. I want some balls. Please give me balls. Yes. Around here, maybe. More like a top view kind of. Oh yeah. The light is strong though. Do we have the, yeah, let's go with, oh, maybe not. Oh, this is a strong. I kind of like it. Maybe it's a little bit too close. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Get rid of that. Let's see, where is the focus? Here, probably here. And for the other cam, the focus is not good. Now it is. Yeah, something like that. It won't change anything. The cam is so far away anyway. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's see, depth of field, same for this one, depth of field. 8, let's go 2. And for this one, let's do something like 0.5. Oh my god. 2. No. 5. Nah. 4. So problem with compositing, so this is a problem. Let's do 1.2. Drop that just a bit. 1.5. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That I like it. Make a little bit softer. Low pass, that should be fine. Yeah. So we can boost the emitter if we need to do so. Free boost. That's for the LEDs. So we can boost the emitter. And we can blur it if needed. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. You can see now they're very strong. Too strong. Pre-boost, let's try 1. Still too strong. First glow, this 2.5. Still too strong. 5. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I would say. I would like to correct the snow because it's too chunky. Don't like that. Let's go into the cam position. Let's see. That should be fairly easy to do. Volume to mesh. Let's do a blur position. Maybe 3 times at half strength. Let's see. Oh god. With what? Why do we have instance in here? This is not what I expected. Set position. Let's point to volume. Distribute point on face. Okay. Okay. Point to volume. Should I realize? Can't realize the point. What the heck is that? Whoa. Maybe I should realize here. Oh yeah, okay, nice working. It takes more time though. Oh yeah, I know what I forget. I should smooth that. Set shade smooth. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So, yeah, let's do 6 times, and let's try to inflate. Maybe inflate it just a little bit more. That would be threshold should do it. Woo! And we can also, yeah, link pockets of snow together. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's see what. Oh yeah, that's exactly how snow should work. Nah, this material is not really nice, but fine. Let's try to darken the world just a touch. Alright, so this I don't need that bypass. The visible camera right here, 0.5, yeah, okay, even less. Alright, now we're talking. Composition, good. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god. Render. So yeah, for a render I would like to denoise it myself. And for this we need the noise image. Despeckle the noisy image. Like that. No, I don't need that. 10%, let's do 15% of non-denoised image. Like this, yeah, it will cut the preview. So we can't preview it anymore with this method. We just have to render it to see. Let's try 200 samples. This. Don't care. Let's save that. Yeah, first render, let's start with 50. I don't really know what to expect here. Oh, you won't really be able to see it. It will appear in the preview. I should add this to OBS. Let's see, can I do that? I don't know, hide source. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so the render is done, and this is the result. I mean, not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, I mean, it's a Christmas tree. What do you expect? Fine. So this one, I'm fairly happy with that. Okay, so it should be saved here. Fine, fine, fine. I will use it for the thumbnail of the stream. Let's see, just save the picture somewhere safe. Oh no, 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 S is not on this computer. I have to save it by hand. Let's see. Under close up. All right. So now let's try the second cam. What would happen here? Now let's see. Oh, it's not even centered. Yeah, I mean, it's working. Is it a good render? Blech. I don't know. I don't think I like that. So maybe for a better thumbnail, I should put it on the side. A little bit more close up, kind of. All right. Okay, let's go into the camera, and here for composition I would need, don't need that, and this should be experimentation sapin. This should be, yeah, and I think I will take the transparency as well, alpha. There is no alpha because I didn't set it. This film transparent. That should work now. Maybe you don't need that. I have to render it. That's probably the problem. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, is there some kind of background path? Shadow catcher, oh no. Yeah, there is environment. Maybe environment is working. Yeah, it's working, it's working. Should use that as a mask to put some text. Yeah, that will work. Let's do let's do this. So I need, so this beauty, and I need another one. This is environment. Oh, I can do that. Nope. I cannot do that. I have to deform it the same way. Oh my god, that's a pain in the back location. So I have to copy this, put it here, and now it should work. Yeah, that's it. No, that's complicated. I don't like that. Still. So let's increase the quality just a touch. Let's do 100. That would be nice. Preview. Let's go here and let's render that quick. The background is transparent. What will happen? I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, obviously I save it as JPEG, so I don't think I save it as JPEG. Wow. Well, it's pretty good, pretty good. Can work with that. Wow. All right. I mean, only with nodes. Yeah, all right. I didn't draw a single thing by hand. That's pretty good, huh? That's pretty good to me. Let's try to do an animation that I will add to the live stream if I can, I don't know. Not image, but video. Let's see. Stop here. Video, encoding, everything is good. No need to save all of that. Only group output will be enough. And okay, so I will end the stream here, and if I succeed to make a good video, I will just put it right now. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much.